die, I swear.
You are like the oxygen I need to survive.
Baba, be honest.
Love me, totally.
I am so obsessed.
I want to
What's up, what's up, what's up, traders? Good to have you again. Good to have you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. Where are you watching me from? Tell me, how has your day been, traders? Do you have any traders that looked at their charts today? I am trading binary options, and currently I am looking at Brent oil OTC chart. So let's see how we are gonna be moving the market. Raphael, good to see ya. Good to see ya.
Don't tell me no. You can be my partner, never riding solo, no. I ain't got no man lucky, no need to party, no. I feel it, what you're doing, no, yeah, baby, gotta go. Your body, they back of me, see. Open up, make I see. And you were the cut my fancy. You they do me, I keep party, oh, no.
Okay, we are already locking in entries. Feel free to ask any trading question. My strategy is simple: price action. So all my moves I'm executing, they're gonna be based on that.
Oh yeah, check it, make it spend my money. Call me Mr. Bean, I
go make the honey.
Give me, baby, make you give me. I go show you love and I go take you to my city. Running at them, make I look.
Lucky, good to see ya.
Before you go see me.
Good to have you.
Same body back can make you shake it for Ghana. Here, dancing for me, baby, man. Come and kick it,
Interesting. Sorry about that. How bad did it kick you? How bad did the market whoop your ass? Did you end up blowing the account, or it was just a few losses? Jerome, good to see ya. JP, good to have you. Samtech, good to see ya. All right, someone is already asking about the donations. There's a link down in the description. You can use that if you want to be part of the participants tonight. All the details are on the donation page. You can as well write to me via Telegram and I'll guide you. Yeah, JP, let me hope that helps you.
She is always in my car.
Crash and Mash, good to see ya.
All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone.
They say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating?
I'm like, no, not really, cause
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
She is always right there
when I need her.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there
when I need her.
It's like a model. She grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah. I'm the wizard of love.
Feel free to ask any trading question. Traders, tell me, how has your day been? Do you have any traders that have looked at their charts today? Guys, the week is still fresh. We are still moving. You know, trading is a skill that you build with consistency, so you have to be showing up when I need her. Cheerleader.
She is always right there when I need her. she gives me love and affection. Baby, I mention you're the only girl for me that I don't need a next one. Mama loves you too, she thinks I made the right selection. Now all that's left to do is just for me to get the question. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found
Stella Huitas, good to see you.
she is always right there when I need
No, good to have you. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Guys, honestly, today has been a very great day for me. Yeah. And I'm anticipating the market to move well. I'm anticipating the market to move so well because I mean I had a great day. So if I had a great day, I'm also anticipating the markets to respect my mood.
I never knew how much it hurt. Yeah. My girl. First came trust, then came love, but this was none of the above. I'm aware. My girl. But you're the one who said that I'd be lost without you. And that your fun could have write this one without you, baby. And now I see your face drop. I told you not to leave me alone. Now that I got my own, I see your face drop. I told you not to count me out. Cause you always try to give me down. Saying that I love you.
Oh my god. Buyers have taken us out here, but let us get no move. Adrian, good to see ya. All right. Much love from here. Much love from here too, guys. Guys, let us first check out gold. Let us first check out this pair.
Don't you know you should have loved me for my inner? When I left you, I came right away there. You telling me, come on back, what will I get from that? I was first to be yours. If you knew how to act, but you weren't yesterday. Or you like me, and I love it when I see your face drop. I told you not to leave me alone. Now that I got my own, I see your face drop. I told you not to count me out. Cause you always try to feel me down. Saying that I look better if I was thinner. Don't you know you should have loved me for my inner?
All right, someone is asking, what is the strategy? Someone should comment strategy. I want to see how many guys are ready for real. I want to see how many guys are ready for it. So I want to get into details of the strategy after seeing how many guys are ready. So I need you guys commenting strategy. Then we get into it in a few.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh my god, guys! You know, on this trading assembly, we have a rule where we are not allowed to blow accounts. So, guys, we need to take that serious. We need to stop blowing accounts. And the easiest way you can really get out of the thing of blowing an account, honestly, I don't know what came. I don't know how you ended up blowing 2 accounts today, but I would advise you, whenever you are in the market, you have to know that trading, it's a personal thing. It is better to follow discipline and risk management than donating your entire capital to the markets. It is really not nice. I'm sorry about that, my friend.
Good morning.
Nico, good to see you.
Everything we dreamed of. I'm like the fly Malcolm X, by any genes necessary.
I want you guys to comment shortage, then we get into it in
So I jumped
details.
on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot at ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip, everyone in my gang and my DJ paid. Wise man talking about inshallah, these times he don't even pray. Wise man wearing a Jesus piece. How does she squeezing them jeans? Big behind and petite waist. Take time with a GBG, we don't beef nobody like GBK. Woke up on the wrong side of bed, so he's gonna get slapped if I don't have my piece today. I love my young boy, I won't lead him straight. I'm stuck to little bro like PVA. Paid already, I don't need no hit song. We don't need ID, low bro 17 in the club, he ain't scrolling TikTok. F just saw him on flick one. Which one? Who do you want, bro? Pick one. If I shoot my shot, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all ticked off. Alright. We could go bang for bang. Fuck me, we can go M for M. What I know for the
I'm loving this. Let us see how it goes.
I got the 90 years, the version, the robbers, I'm really the threat. It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even
Barbara,
wear.
good to see ya.
Do it for some shoes and clothes. You see what I do for a necklace. Right, sure, look like a spider. It's calling $1. I'm just a sister. She made me want to go harder. I like her harder. I think I'm obsessed with her.
Alright, guys, the strategy is simple for all those that are locked in for the strategy. The strategy is simple. It is pure price action. And when it comes to pure price action, you need to first understand the market condition you're dealing with. Currently, you can see we are in a bearish market. How can I confirm it's a bearish market? The other thing is to understand the market structure. Every market condition you're dealing with has the understanding of its own market structure. For example, a bearish market structure in a bearish market, it's going to be series of lower highs and lower lows. Basically, the market is moving down and it's continuously taking out series of lows and maintaining the highs. And every time the market takes out the most recent low, that is a break of structure to the downside, you start anticipating a pullback in the opposite direction. So whenever you're trading with price action, those are the key things you have to always be looking out for, because market structure, it's going to show you the turning points in the market. And those turning points, they are going to confirm for you if you should either take a continuation move, that is a move in line with the market trend, or to take a reversal move, that is a move that is a pullback entry basically. The other thing I look out for whenever I'm trading with price action, it is candlestick patterns. And when it comes to candlestick patterns, you want to trade with them in key areas. Not every candle you're seeing on the chart really makes sense. You have to confirm with those that are really in key areas. And with price action, our key areas are the highs and the lows in the market. Oh my God.
In the middle of all of these beautiful girls in the world with their dance on the floor. I stayed on mine and not to bend them. Me, I just want some pepper center. Baby, gyrates, your waistline. Roll it down, don't slow down. Just bring them to me now. Submit them.
Actually, so Raphael is saying, I think I know how to trade, but I don't know what I'm missing. I know that phase also when it comes to trading. I know that phase very well. But maybe you try to check with yourself, with believing in yourself. Maybe you're just missing out that concept of believing in yourself, that you can actually be a trader. And if you want to really start believing in yourself, one thing I can tell you is you either have an option of starting to trade but risking small. For example, like you minimize your entries just to build confidence. So you trade just to build confidence by minimizing the number of entries you're taking, or you can consider being consistent. Yeah, being consistent is really important, honestly, guys. Consistency is what really shifted my trading, because there's a time I knew that strategy very well. I knew actually risk management. I knew everything I had to do, but some days I would just not show up because I didn't have any single reason why I wouldn't show up. I was just lazy, probably. So consistency is something that you have to build. If you are able to build consistency when it comes to trading, believe me, yeah. Consistency is really important. Showing up every single day, regardless of your moods. Guys, the market doesn't care if you're happy or sad or what. You just have to show up.
Young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. I miss your touch on nights when I'm hollow. I know you crossed the bridge that I can't follow. Since the love that you left is all that I get, I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I'll miss you more than life. And if you can't,
The minimum for the donations is 400, guys, and you can use the donation link down in the description. And you should be added with the participants tonight. I can already see some guys are already donating. So in a few minutes we are going to get into the donations.
I'd leave it all behind if I could follow. Since the love that you left is all that I get, I want you to know that if I can be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. Yeah. And if you can't be next to me, your memories ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, your memory is ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. Be one cleaner than your church shoes. Really point to just to hurt you. All red lamps just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to make your whole year in a week.
This is a pullback move, guys. So all pullback traders, this is for you. This is a pullback move. You can see the market has been trending downwards. Took out the most recent low. Gave us a bullish confirmation. You can see two candles here, big enough. And we are already locked in. So let's see if we can get more entries. When it comes to trading, you have to really be continuously analyzing the market, especially looking at most recent market structure, the most recent highs and the lows. They are going to be directing you where the market is most likely to head. When it comes to trading, you're not going to get 100% certainty that the market is going to sell. I mean, you can really spot a sell entry, you execute it, and the market goes against you. But with understanding market structure and all this, it just gives you a certain level of certainty, and you end up executing. Whatever happens after execution, guys, it's not your business. It is not your business. All you have to do is to execute, because whatever happens, it is about you to wait and see. William, good to see ya. Nick M, good to see ya.
I'm a motherfucking star boy. Let a nigga bracket, legend of the fall, took the year like a bandit. Bought mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek roof and I rate the con. Girls get loose when they hear the song.
What is market condition? Market condition basically means which market am I dealing with? We all know there are three types of markets. There are three types of markets. It's either bullish market, bearish market, or a sideways market. So whenever I say market condition, I'm referring to one of those. Currently, we have been in a bearish market because it is trending. You can see the market is continuously trending downwards and giving us fair pullbacks. That is a sign of a bearish market. To confirm a bearish market, it has to be taking out lows or breaking structure to the downside and maintaining the highs. The moment the market pulls back and takes out the most recent high, you have to shift your bias from being a bearish market to a bullish market.
I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl. I'd rather lie than confuse you, girl. Truth is we love them, they want us gone. Truth is they can't handle me at the top. I'd rather spare you the details, my love. Oh, I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie. I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie. I'd rather lie than lose you. She wanna fight, let's make out. Let's go prime time, say something. House in the hills, we a lay up. Hey, you can stay, we can play fun. She'll do much, just like ain't this what I can get done. Hunt does a ration bend up. Hunt does a ration bend up. She wanna beg and I get that. She tryna leave, tell me she so that she leave. She wanna I'm on her beam, it's getting me She be right back and we boo. I just top because woman no proof. And that pounds I'm loving on you.
Feel free to ask any trading question. Romeo, good to see ya. Maxwell Price, let me hope you understood what market condition means. This is a trading assembly. Trader, share with me how was tell me how was your trading day? How is your trading day? Share with me how your trading day or trading session went.
Oh, I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie. I'm back on that track and hop like this. I'm back on that lean, I'ma talk like this. I'm back on that shit, I'ma walk like this. House got a view, we can fuck like this. Niggas get mad when I talk this shit. Niggas be mad and I off this bitch. This nigga mad cause I fucked her. Like me a cougar, I'm younger.
We are already moving smoothly, guys.
Opposites always a try. Happy and get mad. But I want you back.
Cameron Love, good to see ya. Michael, good to have you. Honestly, price action is one strategy. I believe it's timeless. It doesn't matter when, as long as the markets are still running, the market condition is going to still remain bullish, bearish, sideways markets. Market structure will still be forming on the charts because we don't have the markets move in a corrective way. So understanding how the market corrects itself is important because in those correction zones, it is where the market is most likely to head. So every time you're analyzing the market, you have to keep it in mind. Where is the most recent high? Where is the most recent low? What market am I dealing with? So if you see the most recent low in a bearish market gets taken out, you anticipate buyers in the market. The confirmation of a pullback, you want to see a bullish candlestick pattern formed with some momentum. You do not just see one green candle in a bearish market and you assume that it's already a pullback. You'd want to see a candle formation confirming a better pullback, like candles are closing above each other with some big momentum, and you consider that a pullback. Not every green candle you see in a bearish market after a break of structure confirms a pullback. So if you are able to identify such things on the charts, I mean, you're already a good trader. All you have to do is to lock in and start executing.
Maybe this is karma, definition of JD. This stays on my mind. This stays on my mind. Trying to put a mother on my crazy feelings. 1 minute I'm cold, then the next I'm tripping. No, will somebody know? I swear she don't deserve it.
What the hell?
She's still on my mind. Do we build it up? Build it up. Just to let it wash away. Tell me, did I lace you up? Lace you up. Just to watch you run.
Already locked in. I mean, I'm loving it when you guys already are locking in because I know great traders are on here locked in. And you all know we are locked in for life. Honestly, I feel getting bored just looking at the chart. I mean, you just get bored because, yes, trading sometimes it's boring, especially if you know what you're doing and you're consistently making profits. It becomes something normal. Or you get bored, like in a way that you really analyze the charts and you're not getting the entries, because that is also something. So what part of boredom in trading do you face, my friend?
I was lying when I said it feelings neutral. It took some time to realize we're different people. Love is blind. I see love is blind. Can we build it up?
Build it up.
Just to let it wash away. And tell me that I lace you up. Lace you up. Just to watch you run away. Please tell me. Who's getting on my nerves? Who's getting on my nerves? Tell me who.
All right. You're building discipline by watching the charts. Okay. How about in your discipline you include, because if it's getting boring, that means maybe you're missing execution. Maybe you could consider taking a few trades. Or actually, I believe if you know, for example, me, the times I'm analyzing the charts and I'm not going to be trading, I have something that I'm really looking out for. I do not just look at the candles moving around, like just printing on the chart. Whenever I'm doing market analysis and I'm doing, for example, top-down market analysis, I have something a specific something I'm trying to analyze the market in. So you could consider that. For example, you could just say, this week I'm analyzing market structure, but not just any market structure. You pick pairs that you want to do an analysis on. then you also consider the time frames you want to be analyzing that specific something. Because like I told you guys, when it comes to being consistent in trading, you do not only be consistent with showing up, you also have to be consistent with the time frames you're going to be looking on throughout your trading. So if you're, let me say this week you're analyzing, I mean, you have 30 days. This week you're analyzing market structure. You want to analyze market structure on all the time frames. You also be analyzing the point of which is the right market structure, because anytime the market is moving, it is giving you structure, but not every structure really is important or it is making sense. You would want to say, to be more specific with a valid market structure, you would actually execute on if you're really having a trading, if you're going to be trading. So the next week you pick something else. Yeah, because that's how actually you'll be doing market analysis. If you're non-trading, you pick time frames, you will know you're going to be consistent with them, then you analyze a specific thing on all those time frames. You try to bring a correlation between all those time frames. There, I believe you'll not be bored, my friend, if you're doing it that way.
I can see the sun light up the sky, so I hit the road and overdrive, baby. Oh, the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're on my side. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one nice. I'm just looking back to let you know I can never say it on the phone. They'll never let you go this time. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch.
Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Guys, if you ask something and I don't see it, you're free to ask again. Yeah, you're free to ask again.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dark. No, you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Hear you sick of all those other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, I'm the only one.
My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds.
She the one that bring them raindrop. We go back, remember Chris Cross and Hopscotch. You the one that hold me down when the block's hot. I make your dreams come true when you wake up. And your looks just the same without no makeup. Had to pull up on your mama, see what you made of. Ain't gotta worry about them comers, cause my cake up. You can ride inside my life on that fame bus.
Alright. This was getting crazy, but we are locked in.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie.
Victor, good to see ya.
I'm the one early morning in the dark.
Guys, these names are hard. But I love you so much. Much love from me. I'm glad you're locked in.
See you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one,
I'm the only one.
I'm the only one. Okay, though. She beat her face up with that new Chanel. She like the price, she see the ice and make her coochie melt. When I met her in the club, I asked her who she felt. Then she went and put that booty on that Gucci belt.
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using.
She ain't got no table. She don't got no bed.
Whenever I'm executing, guys, I'm looking at understanding market structure. Like I always tell you guys, market structure is going to show you the turning points in the market. If you already know that you are in a bearish market and you know where the high and the lows are, it's going to be easier for you to know when to take a pullback entry, because you would want to wait to see the market taking out a low. Then it gives you more bullish confirmation. Same with taking a continuation entry. You would want to see the market pull back but didn't take out the high, and it gives you a bearish confirmation. If you can easily understand that concept and you apply it, getting entries is not going to be hard, because now after knowing the highs and the lows and the markets you are in, the next thing is to watch out the candlestick patterns and the key areas they are in. So if you are able to identify those few concepts, then entries are not going to be hard. All you have to do is to keep on practicing and practicing and practicing to make sure you get the right thing, because when it comes to trading, you can know the concept in theory, but when it gets on the chart those things may be so hard for you to spot. But the more you really focus on practicing and doing more market analysis, these things are going to become easier for you to see. Honestly, it took me some time to understand and get the right market structure. I knew the highs, I knew that the market makes highs and lows, but getting the right structure was the point. And it's what really made my edge better. I'm the only one.
I'm the only one. Another one.
Don't you know, girl?
Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, honestly, to be honest, if you really are commenting and I don't read your comments, please comment again. Yeah, you all know we are fully locked in on the chat. So if you comment something and I don't see it, please ask again. It's not like I intentionally do it. We are fully locked on the chat, so I get to read comments. And everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrics constructor. Coffee come in like a raptor. And everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrics constructor. Coffee acting up the temperature for them see. Me know the man be but friend with the enemy. Yo, I pass me see people around me so plenty, but me pocket not empty. Me need space so large. Get me see them and watch me to a clock now. I'ma see to me a beating for lockdown. Sitting in a debate, the bikini and the century. I drench me, but with me fire go blaze. And I see him way, so me see the enemy a protest. Oh, and him could come the closest. No, I can still I do the mostest. I want me to put in the work and just the process. Oh, yes, that's how we grind right now. Coffee with the prime time flow. Time for we accumulate the kinds I know. Me say, give me the signs like, whoa, coffee come in like a raptor. And everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrics constructor. Coffee come in like a raptor. And everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrics constructor. Tell them to give me no limit. No, them say coffee but you are all midget. Bro, but when I speak lyrics, me don't fidget with it. Short did it, ball with it, let me go dig it. Bro, but find him ready. Me not tell you from I was a child, me ready. The God who me say the same time, you see. My highly blessed so you can't spoil me, baby, you can't pile me, me see me too profound. Kill them with the birds and with the bro. Now, when me come around, he pop the whole town. Anyone me show up is a showdown. Yo, every African crew a bubble hotter than stew. We still not built until the Vatican When you see the lyrical doctor. Okay, let us add these buys here and see how they look in. When you see the lyrical doctor. Vin, good to see ya. Levin, good to have you. Ohen. Okay, the indicator I'm using it's Kautina channel and I'm using it with its default setting. So whenever I'm using the indicator, I would want to see breakout to the top side or breakout to the downside. Whenever I see a breakout to the top side of the indicator, I'm going to anticipate buyers in the market. But I would want to see, for me to trade with that, I would want to see market structure shifting bullish. Yeah, that is getting more confirmations. And using both the indicator and price action, you'd want to see market structure shifting bullish. And seeing candlestick patterns are also confirming that. The opposite is true. If we get a breakout to the downside, you would want to see sellers. You anticipate sellers in the market, but you want to see market structure shifting bearish. Be thankful. Blessings are all I find. Plus, yeah. Gratitude is a must, yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. But I toss with the friends to take out baby Lord one time. Sit down in a class on board then. Hello, my love. Guess women traders are more effective than men traders. Guys, that is a challenge for us. What do you think? Traders, what do you think? Do you think women traders, we are better than you male traders? I need to get your view, guys. Gratitude is a muscle, yeah. Blessings all on my right hand. What's that those pretty friends will take off when you know what one time big sit down in a class. I want to get your view, guys. I need to see more guys choosing a side. Women traders are better than male traders. Do you agree or not? Doesn't make me excited. Coming like a potion. No. So you only have one yes and two no's. I need to see more guys commenting on that. And actually, I'm adding my yes because I know we are so good with risk management. That's one thing I know. Female traders, the ones I've been with, including myself, we are very good with risk management. We are good with risk management, guys. And the years when glass here. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on the horizon. What's a toast to the friends who take off when they road one time? Sit down in a glass and board then only send the road and we pour on the road. Yeah, guys, it's on record. Female traders are really good when it comes to risk management and market discipline. I'm saying this with just even fellow male traders that are my friends. I always see the crazy things they are doing. The crazy things they are so crazy.
Let's pull the 2-seat out, baby. It's wherever you want to go. Wherever you want to go.
This is how we do it. All night.
Just little baby in our lives. Let's see in my heart. Guys, to be honest, and I've seen very many female traders actually I've come across. They have lasted longer in that game because of managing their risk well compared to that fellow male traders we started with. Yeah. like I already said, you guys, it is risk management that is going to keep you in trading, to be honest. Because if you keep on blowing your account, if you keep on over risking and things turn out on the other side, you're going to find it so discouraging, and that's when most traders quit. So if you really go hard on risk management, it's one thing that is going to keep you alive in these markets.
That money triple up when you get it out of state. Need a new safe cause I'm running out of space. Air race jets and I'm somewhere out of space. In my two-seater, she the one that I would take.
Sanchez, what do you mean by estafforders? Please don't spam comments. Don't spam comments.
Put a payback for you. I just needed time to do what I had to do. Caught in the life, I can't let it.
As a man, we are naturally risk takers, so we have to fight that impulse on that chart. Guys, everything when it comes to trading, we all know it's all about taking the risk, but you have to take this risk. That we have to take this risk with a strategy, but mainly with risk management. Honestly, if you have no risk management in place, you get wiped out from these markets. That's one I can tell you. Risk management is really, really very important when it comes to trading. Because I feel my worst year in trading was when I had that mindset of depositing, flipping the account right away. That was my worst year in trading, honestly. And it wasn't actually my first year in trading. My first year in trading, I was a very disciplined trader until I met a few traders that were crazy and I tried to cope up with their trading style. But I realized later it wasn't for me because the times you may try to flip an account, you're going to blow 4 accounts and you end up just flipping one. So honestly, even if that flip on one account was successful, but it's only just covering up the losses you were taking on the other account. So at the end of the day, still it doesn't make sense. That's why risk management is important when you see it in that way. Because you may try to really achieve a lot on a very tiny account and you just end up wiping it out in minutes. And blowing accounts, guys, like I tell you, it takes you at most 15 minutes, but in just 5 minutes, your account can be gone, even 1 minute. You're all not trading. If you've been there, you know this. You know what I'm talking about. And to also get over that, to build discipline again, it may be so hard. You can blow it. No, I'm saying that to blow an account, the longest you can go is 15 minutes. But all the accounts that are end up being blown, you'd realize you're trying to force things in just 1 minute, 2 minutes. So it's always just minutes, seconds, honestly. Because just seconds and your full account is gone, and that's when clarity kicks in after blowing your account. Because most of the times you blow an account, you're going to find yourself revisiting if you had videos that you're watching, you're going to find yourself rewatching those videos or revisiting your trading notes, and you look at them and you know clearly that you are the problem. But anyway, all that is part of the game. That's all part of the game. Such moments are the ones that keep us, build us sometimes. You need to have experience. And that's part of trading experience.
Someone to tell you you're beautiful. Someone to tell you mean it. Someone to tell you I love you.
Guys, our queue is already up. So someone comment ready as we are getting into the donations in a few.
Somebody who can make it better. up those gates. Open up those gates to your heart. Only if you're ready. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along.
I say, oh my God, this was a good one here. This was a good one here.
I see the look on your face. I see you looking for peace. I see you tired of the hurt, tired of the pain, tired of the nights where you can't get no sleep. I see you tired thinking about if you cheat. See you tired thinking about if you're leaving.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. As we are catching up as traders, we are also here to learn. So ask any trading question.
Open up those gates to your heart. Only if you're ready. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along. I say, you look good out, no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
Guys, one thing I believe, okay, I'm seeing someone commenting, but one thing I believe also as a trader, that best thing you can do to yourself in your trading is to learn how to be patient, because the trades I really had to miss out or to be taken out because of being impatient, there are so many. So if you can really learn how to wait for the market, and you also know that I take a trade when it makes sense to me, honestly. You keep on asking yourself the trading questions that matter in your strategy. What market am I looking at? If it confirms bearish, how does structure in a bearish market should appear? This and this and this. What am I honestly looking at? If I'm taking a pullback, I would want to see a candle closure. So if you can patiently be waiting for those questions to be answered, because honestly, if you can't build patience when it comes to trading, that is also something that is going to be disturbing you. Even with the best strategy, if it is not backed up by being patient and disciplined, it is not going to do much for you. Building that patience is important when it comes to waiting for the market, and you execute on that point. Your bitch over there. One with the silicone and the Brazilian. You ain't gonna respect me, no, till I'm not there. See, I got you comfortable now, you ain't really. Alright, guys, let us first secure our profits for tonight. Then we get into the donations. Interesting. On the other side. So you bought me a car. He can buy that too. I can take care of myself and I can find someone to do it too, baby. Okay, we get into our first participant. So 11, you're saying, lol, you just got to know patience, you come later. Honestly, if you can, you see that things I really emphasize here, it is patience, consistency, and also trying to understand the market. These are the things, these are the mistakes I was making most in my trading when I was starting out. I don't know the number of trades I was really executing when I'm just rushing because I've seen a green candle or what. So it just taught me that you have to wait for a serious move, because you're not going to be trading any candle you're seeing on that chart. You would want to wait for the market to give you a reason to execute. Guys, the reason to execute is not like you're going to be waiting for 30 minutes or more. If you know what you're doing and you've been doing it over and over again, it doesn't take so long. but the losses I got from the market from being impatient were quite also a lot. And every time I would be like, I wish I waited. So I used to love someone else, somebody better than you.
I bet you still needed me. Soon as you see me with someone else, somebody other than you. And I know that it hurts, you know that it hurts your pride. But you thought the grass was greener on the other side.
Oh my god, this is really flipping against us.
Someone else, somebody better than you.
Our first entry has been taken out. Let us refund and try again.
Singing this song, 'cause I love you. Yeah, I love you. I'm all cried out, I'm all tried out, I'm all fired out. But right now I'm scared of me, 'cause now I have to find someone else when all I want was you.
We are locking in for just one attempt, so let's see how it goes.
I ain't worried about nothing. I am wearing a nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pick after picture. I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, 'cause baby, you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta go to work, You don't gotta go to work, Let my body do the work, We can work We can work tomorrow.
Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to William.
I'ma give you a promotion.
Yeah, let me see you type congratulations to William. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away.
I just need your body. Nothing but cheating between us and getting off early. I know you're always on the night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone.
Guys, I want to see you type more congratulations to our participants.
'Cause baby, you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta go to work, You don't gotta go to work, Let my body do the work, We can work tomorrow. We can work tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. Girl, gotta work for me. Can you make it clap? No hands for me. Take it to the ground, pick it up for me. Look back at it all, I'm for me. Put it right like my time sheet.
On to our next.
I'ma buy no Celine. Let her ride in the foreign with me. Oh, shit, babe. I'm her boo. And she down to break the rules. Ride and die, she gon' go. I'm gon' do, she finesse. I fight bull, she take that. Putting overtime on your body.
You ain't gotta go to work, but you gotta go to work.
Congratulations, William. Congratulations, guys. Just by seeing market structure, the market is bullish. It's continuously moving up because why not? Because why not? It is continuously moving up and taking out the most recent lows. Sorry, most recent highs.
Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell, you ain't need, don't tell them, you ain't need, you ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them, you ain't need, don't tell them, you ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them. Know you say you're down with it, won't tell them how you hit the ground with it. Girl, you know I'm from Chicago, I act a fool, Bobby Brown with it. In it, nobody take me out though. You got gifts, bring them down to South Pole. Marathon, go put them out. Don't you worry about it, I gon' work it out. Only it's you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while
This is a pullback move, so let us see how it closes, guys. Oh, pullback traders, this is for you. Actually, why I love pullback traders? We have few traders here who prefer taking pullback moves compared to taking continuation moves. But if you're in a bullish market now, if you get the market has just taken out a high and it gives you a bearish confirmation, don't hesitate to take pullback moves in the opposite direction. My bias is still bullish until bullish until the market takes out the most recent low. Then I'll shift my bias to being bearish. So let us see. At that low, it has to be confirmed with a candle closure. I need a companion. Must be you. Guys, let me see type congratulations to our participants. Velarel. Yeah. Let me see type congratulations to our participants.
I got a missed call from your bitch. She been plotting on me for good.
Good to see you all. Good to see you all.
I like her in the shower when it's running fresh. Listen to the pussy I met on the internet. On my late night thirsty. Cause it was late night and I was thirsty. Girl, I been to that county, girl, I ain't tellin'. Handcuff you to that bed, girl, it ain't no belly. I keep a stack of hundreds, I can keep it secret. If anything, you was exploring, you wasn't cheating. She got my number stored under fake names. Her nigga think she fake, but she run the game. Your life, so take me out these pull-ups. And we can fuck from Uno to Ocho. Only is you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell them what.
Just one item for Victor, so let us see how it goes. If you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Donations are not financial investments. They are purely for trading and learning purposes. Someone comment locked in. I need to be explaining these moves when I know you guys are fully locked in.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa, break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques.
Seems like sellers are really changing.
Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip.
Seems like sellers are getting control of the market.
I'm a savage.
Yeah. You know, guys, whenever you're trading, it is necessary to continuously be analyzing the market, everything that's happening. Keep on asking yourself what's happening. Who are in control? Is it the bears or the bulls? So if you can easily tell that it is a bearish market, it's a bullish. I'm so bullish.
I keep my niggas private, so it's AP all I'm showing. Beefing with you bitches really getting kind of boring. If it ain't about the money, then you know I'm gonna ignore it. I'm the shit. I need a mop to clean the floors. Too much drip. I keep a knot, I keep a watch, I keep a whip. Let's play a game.
Just one attempt, and I'm already loving this already. It's locked in. Let me see, type congratulations to Victor. Yeah, let me see, type congratulations to Victor. This really moved fast. And you know how we do it, guys. You know how we do it.
Don't let that nigga gas you up and get you back. I make a call and get a pussy nigga smack.
Everything goes to the participant right away. Let me see more congrats to Victor. Victor, you're welcome, my darling.
Yeah, niggas say I taste like sugar, but ain't shit sweet.
You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away.
This one's next.
I've been waiting for the day. They say I kill a cookie. They say your body cooking. But I just don't like to be lonely. Don't let's spend the night alone. Don't let's spend the night alone.
This is a trading assembly. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. Yeah, we are always here to learn and also catch up as traders, because I believe if you have a trading community and you can share your trading experience with fellow traders, I mean, through sharing, you can learn something.
I can really make you sweet. Baby girl, I like your body taste. Girl, I can really make you wet. Girl, I can really make you wet.
You're welcome, dear. You're welcome. Let us move on to our next.
Girl, I can really make you. Baby, tell me how we got speed. I got many things if you ask me. But love me, don't make you rush me. I make you leave if you must leave. See this matter than they pass me. Pass many things for your loving. But love me, don't make you rush me. At this night for your love if you ask me. Like no. When you call up make a day, I go do. Every day and every night. Oh. Make we connect to the morning time. We dey dance, I be spend down. Your body ginger. Call me your doku spend down. As the DJ they spin on. For your love, spend my dirham. Girl, I can really make you sweet. Baby girl, I like your body taste. Girl, I can really make you wet. Girl, I can really make you wet. Girl, I can really make you sweet. Baby, wrap your legs around my neck. Girl, I can really make you. I know.
When it comes to picking trading time or expiration time, guys, you have to pick a time frame that is really favorable to you. Because at the end of the day, when it comes to personal trading, I mean, you would want to pick something that is favoring your personal lifestyle, how much you can fully lock in, how much you can patiently wait for an execution to close. So you have to be considering those things. When it comes to timing, that's the thing you have to consider. There's no point of doing something because everyone is doing it. You have to pick something that suits your personal lifestyle and just even your normal personal lifestyle and trading lifestyle. Yeah, let me hope that helps you, my dear. Because we all know we have traders that are so comfortable on having 1 hour, that are so comfortable on 5 minutes, that are so comfortable on, let me say, 3 minutes. It all depends on what you prefer as a trader and how it all depends on what you prefer in your personal trading, basically, when it comes to time frames. Same with picking a trading pair. You have to pick something that is you really understand its movement. Even when you're picking a trading pair to trade in your trading session, not just a single day, it has to be something that you really comfortable, you understand its movements. So that's what trading is all about. Trading, no, it doesn't come with rules. It is you to set the rules. That's why it can be so hard, and at the same time, that's why it can be easy if you choose to make it easy. Because trading doesn't come with rules. That is a freedom that comes in trading.
She said she wanna get a little dirty, and she rub on my chest. Shawty start to give me sloppy, sloppy. She make a man confess. She make a man go. I'm all amour, I'm all amour. You for my home, you for my home, you for my home. I'm all amour, I'm all amour, I'm all amour. You for my home, you for my home, you for my home. They got me sing now. This one a sweet collabo. This one a sweet collabo.
Oh my god, our final attempt has been invalidated.
This one a ogo logo. And a booty go. Ibro go do. She knows say I be strong man. So I know.
I'm sorry about that, guys. Next time better.
Push me to healing me, so I go shout. Pull me down, pull me down. This one no be matter, where I go chop you clean out. How many, She dey bounce on my team with my song for background. I dey give a new style, she say wow. When I start to go too deep, she say ouch. Ooh.
Benjamin, I'm glad you can see progress. I'm glad you can see progress. Yeah, and guys, don't stop on watching videos. After watching the video, also put in some practice. That's how your skill is going to be developing. You watch, you go look for those things on the charts. So that's how your skill is developing. Simple. And I love it when you guys share with me that you can see improvement. That is some other level of trading, honestly. If you can easily evaluate yourself and you know that I'm actually improving, yeah, that's the beauty of looking in on the trading assembly. So I'm glad you guys are seeing the changes. Oh my god, this bullish momentum is crazy here. Look at this candle. It has taken us out surely. Damn. Let us refund and try again. Came in so crazy and big.
Shows up in bed. Something worth my time. I know sometimes I drive you crazy, babe. Are you down for the ride? I'm the same whenever I need you.
You know, guys, since we cannot tell, that's why actually trading is risky, because you can never tell what the next candle is going to be. So you're going to analyze the market and you see that actually if I execute based on this direction, it's going to be like this. Then the market goes against you. That's why as a trader, risk management is important in a way that in case a trade goes against you, but you did your analysis and you feel like everything was right, you know that the market will not wipe you completely. At least you know it would just take out a few trades, but you also be locking in a number of trades. We have no business knowing what's happening after you executing. The business you have after executing is to wait for the market to go either in your direction or can also go against you. That's part of trading. So that is like a lesson to all traders that are really struggling with execution, because you want all your entries to be closing in a plus. But to be honest, in real market, not all trades are going to be closing in a plus. Losses are part of this game. You have to make peace with that you have a probabilistic mindset. You know that sometimes even when everything aligns with your strategy, the market can still take you out. Oh my god. Damn. I'm sorry about our second attempt has been invalidated. I'm sorry about that. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn.
Russian, tell her get it out her mind, get it out her thoughts. This me, don't talk. You coulda give your life to Jesus or work with spirit. It's either my way or the highway. Girl, me just make things real clear. No come here so with your feelings. Who tell us me want love? Baby, me just want a one and done. Your choice if you want, give me some. Keep your heart, I'm not ready if you settle down. Your friend I move like she woulda make it coochie run. I see, say you never notice. From other day she in a me DM on me. Say she want put it on me the front seat. Nothing like book and make me read a story. Hey, calm down, cool your jets. Me no give a damn if you want to vex. Man, I stand by, take a don't forget. If you not give it up, then me call it. Calm down, no fool.
Remember, everybody got a duplicate.
Me have options that I don't forget. If you not give it up, then me call it.
What is supply and demand?
Together with your sister or your mother, it no matter, let that register. Ringing on your ears like a viral hit song. If you need some time to love, you better check a wristwatch. It turn around like we a play cricket match. Sink it deep in your middle like me fall in a quicksand. No offense if my cause a little friction, but if a band you want to build, go check my
demand. It's where buyers are gonna be buying from, and supply, it is where sellers are gonna be selling from. In simple terms, that's what I can state. Yeah, that's what I can state. When it comes to trading, you're gonna be seeing demand. It's a zone whereby buyers are gonna be buying, buy orders are gonna be taken in, and when it comes to supply, that's it. But guys, that used to be part of my trading strategy when I was still a forex trader. It was a lot. It required a lot, so that's why I prefer price action. You know, when it comes to supply and demand, it also includes flip zones, all those. It was a lot of work, honestly. It was a lot of work, and I feel like when it comes to price action, it just made my trading more simpler.
Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand no business if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Stand on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you do it. How to move out here, you know this shit get ugly. I had a bitch do me the dirtiest to claim to love me. I went through hella shit and back to be kicked up and comfy. You see how hard I grind, little bitch, don't never call me lucky. You fuck a nigga good enough and he gon' think he own you. The broke ones usually insecure, the rich ones try to
control you. Congratulations to Winters. Your name is Sitep, congratulations to Winters. 3 attempts are in.
The loudest is the weakest, give a fuck by what they scream.
Stella, congratulations, my darling. You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away.
Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow
she's an enemy.
Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand no business if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, but that
guys, please don't spam comment. Don't spam comment. Ricardo, stop spam commenting.
Don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good. And do we lay your face down with your ass out? With some nigga you can't call for nothing if you ass out. I ain't saying that me walk around here with your hand out, but just in case some shit don't really go the way you planned out. Don't go blowing bags on the bag if you can't put a bag in it. And never fuck with niggas you never see with they children. Don't never handle business decisions while in your feelings. Keep your hair and nails done and don't play around about that fitness. Keep everyone at your game room and bitches out of your bedroom.
Why do I need to be a participant? Okay. Come on, all you have to do is to use the donation link down in the description. Yeah, it will take you to the donation page and you will follow from there.
Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow she enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand no business if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything.
You're welcome, my love. You're welcome, my love.
Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you do it. Better look good when you doing it, bitch.
Just 2 attempts for our next participant, so let us lock in.
Yeah. Yeah. Classic. Back then when I was a young kid, Charlie, you were trying to run on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things unknown. Said day one, you running right back. Say the drama, you running up track. It's a one life, you tell me one life. One time, you tell me one time. Open your eyes, baby. Can you be wise? 'Cause I'm a pride, baby.
There's one thing I can share with you as traders. We all know trading is risky. So anytime you're going to get involved in trading, you make sure you trade with money you're willing to lose. That is a general rule for any trading. The markets are risky, so you have to engage in them when you know that you trade with money that you're willing to lose, because anytime the market can go against you. So let's see how our second attempt is closing. Wow, okay, this moved fast. Let me see, type congratulations to Noah. Someone was missing their money yesterday, so I don't know if they are okay now. You guys are always interesting. Yeah, let me see, type congratulations to Noah. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. You're welcome, my dear. On to our next Shaniqua. Oh, it's a beautiful name. All I can say. 3 attempts to go. You're welcome, Nee. You're welcome, my dear. Amora is here every night, 8 p.m. UK time, so be sure to mark your attendance or not. Trading Assembly.
I don't care long as you care by 10:30, no later than drop them the drugs. Be what I want. My man is my man, is your man, hurt is her man too. My man is my man.
All you have to do is to watch out. Yeah, you have to always have You have to have a flexible mindset that you know there are two players in the market and both can be present. So all you have to see is who is in control and you go with them. That's what trading is all about. Keep on asking yourself, are sellers doing something here, are buyers doing something here? That's how you can really get to the point of really trying to execute. I'm just feeling satisfied through the weekend. Oh my god, our second attempt is out. I'm sorry about that, Nick. Shanikwa, I'm sorry about that, dear. Next time better. Yeah, sorry about that. Let us go to our next. Eleven, I don't know. I don't know. All I know, you have to. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn. Traders in the building, comment locked in. Any trader watching me, comment locked in. I want to know how many guys are still locked in. Somebody keep your company. And a girl like me just wanna have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me. Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me if settle down. Guys are crazy. I only take orders in the market. I only take orders in the market. I'm praying one day. Somebody keep your company. And I guess just want to have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's enough for me. Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings? But so I get you for settle down. Biggie, I hit and run. Biggie, I hit and run. Biggie, do me want little feeling. Guys, one thing that I really notice about when it comes to trendy markets, sometimes you're gonna find them trending, especially markets that especially those that you are in a bullish market and you find the market has been trending for some time. Sometimes it takes a break. That is from my market analysis. You're going to find it has traded for quite some time. Then it takes a break, like in a way that it's consolidating. Then from there, it can still get back into its original trend. So whenever you're trading, you have to be analyzing the market and trying to see such things. That's why consistency is important, because there are some things you're going to only see for yourself, and with just being consistently analyzing the market and showing up.
Drop it to the floor, girl, I like it.
Can you explain break of structure?
Curly hair, your physique, baby. You unique, baby. You so complete, baby.
What are sellers doing here? I was anticipating more buyers. Oh my god. Dang. It's trying to catch on a continuation, but seems like sellers have taken our entry out. So when it comes to understanding market structure, we all know markets do not move in a straight line. They move in a corrective way. So that movement is what is called market structure. For example, if you are in a bullish market, you don't expect the market to make a straight line going up. It's going to move it, making series of higher highs and higher lows. It's going to be making series of higher highs and higher lows. So that is what market structure means. It moves up, it takes out a high, then we all know after a break of structure you anticipate a pullback. So after taking out that high, you start anticipating the market offering you a bearish pullback. So that movement is what market structure means. And break of structure, it is just the market taking out a high in a bullish market or taking out a low in a bearish market. That's what it's all about. You're my baby girl. Yeah, just let us look for our second attempt for Tavern. Let us look for our second attempt. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. Already having 2 candles closing above my position. This is a good sign, guys. Whenever I see this, I just start anticipating something good out of it. Let me see, type congratulations to Tavern. Let me see, type congratulations to Tavern. 2 attempts are fully locked in. There we go. There we go. Yeah, let me see more congratulations to our participants.
Yeah, me all that you got now. Make you want me 'cause I'm hot now. I'm gone, so faded, I'm on one. Bang, bang, pop up like a long gun. If you ain't making, you ain't making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boys. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an empty. Get love all in the whip. Make the money, make the grip. I be stunning with my click. Get it faded till we trip. Man, I love to get on. I love to get too on. When I drink it too strong. When I drink it way too strong.
On to our next participant for tonight.
Go down, then come on down, then we can keep it lit, let's roll. I love to get too on. Let's roll. I love to get too on. I love to get, let's roll. I love to wrong. I gotta get to one. I gotta get that's wrong. Yeah, we can get active. And all my bitches attractive. We go, you know who we are now. Get high, that spots in the car now. If you ready, you wanna make no noise. Get ready, turn up with the big boys. Live life and young, that's my choice. Get money like an envoy. You can jump up in the whip. Make the money, make the grip. I'll be stunning with my click. Get it faded till we trip. I love to get on, I love to get to one. The drink be too strong, the tree be way too strong. Get faded, turn up, pull it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ready to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll. I love to get, I love it, let's roll. I love to get, I love it, let's roll.
Pull your panties down from under you. Beat that pussy up, make you wanna holler cute. Drunk in a bitch, high on that Mary Jane. Pussy in my mouth, pussy on my pinky ring. Nasty, maybe do it in the back. Swear this marijuana, keep it cracked. Lights, camera, action. I ain't doing nothing to the cash. Money, 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 we fashion. Draped up and dripped out, keep the trees passing. Girl, toot that thing up, fuck me, fuck rap. Days of our lives, so clap, clap the cake. Spreading your thighs, I pump your brakes. Hey.
Just give me the trees and we can smoke it down. Just give me the drink and we can pour it down. And my enemies, I see me living now. And if you're all with me, then you'll be winning now. I love to get on, I love to get to one. The drink be too strong, the tree be way too strong. Get it, turn up, pull it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ready to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll. I love to get to one, let's roll. I love to get to one,
This is a continuation move, guys. You can see structure is bullish, so let us see how it goes. But it's already moving well in our direction.
You ain't got no will, you ain't got no power. Let's just be honest, let's just be real.
You ain't got no cash, you ain't got no dollar.
And stay with that drama. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest.
Just one attempt to go, and you can clearly see just following that trend. Just trading with that trend, you can easily lock in profits. And I believe it's the easiest way you can really start out to trade as a trader. If you learn to lock in continuation entries or entries that are in line with that trend, it's gonna be easier compared to spotting pullbacks. But I mean, even if you spot pullbacks, don't hesitate to execute as long as you see a move, because we know trading is all about taking the risk. So if you see the opportunity, take it. This is a pullback move. Okay, let me say type congratulations to Brima. Let's be real. Let's be real. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to Brima. 3 attempts are in. Let's be real.
Slow down, back. It's enough to go round, back. Been drinking like a Thursday. How you make it to my section in the first place? Nah, I ain't tripping, shit's not up. They say it ain't chicken if you got it. Bitch, I'm a boss like that. Right time for it and I still pop my roll up, good Cali, la-di-da-di. It's just me and all my homies.
Guys, the platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn. We are here to catch up as traders. We are here to do everything trading. So feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to share your trading experience, with fellow traders. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join a community of traders from everywhere. There's also a link in the description for my Telegram. You can write to me everything and anything, because why not? Because why not? Guys, I also have a Signal group. So if you want to be added to my Signal channel, all you have to do is to create an account with my link, write to me via Telegram with proof, then I'm surely add you to the Signal group for free. So don't, why? Why? Interesting. Let us follow the trend. The easiest way you can really trade as a trader is following the trend. We all know, actually, the first thing I really learned, and that time it didn't really make sense, but now it really makes a very big sense, when they say a trend following, trading with a trend is your friend. Okay, I think it's a trend is your friend. Yeah, that's it. When you are just a beginner and you're starting out to trade, it is so hard to believe that, or maybe since you have not really experienced that, you're going to think it is impossible, or okay, you don't just take it so serious. But the more you really keep in looking in the market, you do realize whoever came up with that, whoever found out that, actually they were right, because most of the time continuation entries close in a plus compared to pullback entries, because trends are always stronger. Let's be real. Let's be honest. This is a pullback move. You can see the market had taken out a high with a candle closing above it. That is the important fact about structure. If you're looking at breakout structure, you would want to see a candle closing above it, above that structure break. So if you don't see a candle closing above it and you just see a wick, that is not valid break of structure. Let's be honest. Let's be real. Let's be real.
Slow down, back. It's enough to go round, back. Been drinking like a thirsty.
All right, guys, we catch up tomorrow same time. I love you so much. Good night. Bye.